Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Tusk Aluminum Skid Plate on your Honda CRF230F. This is also going to work for the 2003 to 2005 CRF150Fs as well. And with this skid plate, you're going to be getting a lot more coverage than the stock one. It's made from super durable 3/16 inch aluminum. It's simple to install. Let's go ahead and get started. To start out, you want to remove your stock skid plate. We've already gone ahead and done that. And I do want to point out these 3 stock mounting locations are going to be used. So to get the new skid plate installed, I've got a T40 Torx bit. We're going to take our Torx bolt. We're going through the skid plate and into that front mounting location. We're going to let the skid plate hang, and you want to leave all of the hardware loose until the final step. Now you're going to take a 4mm Allen. We've got this Allen bolt, so this is your M6 by 25mm bolt. Put a washer on there, go through the skid plate, and thread it into that frame. Then we'll do the same thing for the other middle mount. You might have to move that skid plate side to side to get everything lined up. The next step is to install the frame clamps. So the threaded nut, that's going to go towards the center of the bike. And we're going right next to each foot peg. So set that on there. And then again, we have that Torx bolt. We're coming up through the bottom. Now that you have all the hardware loosely installed, you want to adjust the skid plate side to side and front to back. You're going to have a little bit of room to get this where you want it, and then tighten everything down. So that's it for installing the Tusk Aluminum Skid Plate on your Honda CRF230F. Now you've got some protection for your engine and your frame. If you need one of these skid plates, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content like this, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.